friends, it's Mrs. Zussman. I'm here in preschool and I have a really cool book that I got from the library. It's called Stick and Stone. It talks about a stick and a rock, which is also another name for stone. Let's find out all about stick and stone. Stick, stone. They don't look very happy. I wonder why. Oh, lonely, alone. A 0, a 1. So not only are they a rock and a stick, they make a number. Alone is no fun. Stick, stone. Along comes a pine cone. Makes fun of stone. Is that very nice? Won't leave him alone. Vanish, said Stick. Vanish is another word for go away. His word does the trick. If he's not being nice, he should not be playing. Stone whispers, gee, you stuck up for me. That's just what sticks do. For friends, do it too. Stick, stone, no longer alone. Stick, stone, a friendship has grown. Look, bubbles. Bubbles are so much fun. They wander, explore, laze by the shore. They made a sandcastle. They're watching dolphins. And look, they remembered their suntan lotion. So they won't get burned. Then thunder and rain. Boom! A loud hurricane. Lots of water coming on land. Stick is windblown. There goes pine cone. Hold on, calls out stone. Again, he's alone. How do you think he's feeling? He looks kind of sad. Search day. Stick, stick, stick. Searches night with his flashlight. No stick in sight. What's this? A huge puddle. Stick stuck in the muddle. Stone rescues him quick. Ker-splosh. You rock, Stone, said Stick. That's just what stones do. Best friendships rock too. Stick, stone, together again. Look at their faces. Are they happy? They are. Stick, stone, a perfect 10. When you have a 1 and a 0, it makes the number 10. To the end, and Pinecone says, sorry I needled you so much. So he's apologizing for his not so nice behavior. That's a great book. Bye, friends.